Meet Sarah, a supply chain manager. Day in and day out, she's faced with a challenge of excess inventory, feeling the pain of inaccurate insights, the frustration of missed forecasts, and the burden of wasted resources. But what if there was a way for Sarah to change the narrative? Enter Planning in a Box, a generative AI-powered data platform for tackling supply chain challenges in inventory management. With real-time analytics, Planning in a Box enables Sarah to see her inventory as it is. No more guessing, no more reacting, only informed decision-making that turns challenges into opportunities. How do we respond to a sudden demand surge? Planning in a Box provides immediate recommendations, enabling Sarah's team to adjust supplies in real time. What happens if a marketing campaign triggers a 20% sales increase overnight? Planning in a Box integrates demand signals, blending Salesforce data with ERP data, helping Sarah's team to align inventory. How can we act fast if a supplier delays a shipment? Planning in a Box provides immediate insights on her tool, allowing Sarah to switch to alternative supply sources, ensuring uninterrupted availability. So the result? An unparalleled efficiency revolution. A task that used to take 6 hours now takes 30 minutes. Now Sarah can ask a simple question like, "What's the inventory status for product X?" And she gets answers like, "Product X has 500 units available in the East warehouse." She's saving 4 hours daily, and her company is slashing inventory costs 15% annually. Leveraging the Google Cloud Cortex framework, we've eliminated 80% data management hassles, streamlining the entire data integration process from ingestion to output. Data integrity is at our core. Our data platform combines data from Oracle EBS, Salesforce, and Ad Tech, creating a single data foundation for multiple use cases. The transformation is not a distant dream. With Pluto 7, it's an attainable reality within just 8 weeks. Join us for a discovery workshop where we'll explore use cases tailored to your needs. Together, we'll build a future without excess inventory or stockouts,